Hello lovely people and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been away for quite a long time, but now I'm finally feeling like making a video, and today I'm going to be fixing my hair that I ruined during lockdown. I will be doing that using pureplex. I have made a video discussing pureplex before. That was in my video about Olaplex. I think it was called The Truth About Olaplex or something. I'll have a card up here. And yeah, so I have used this product quite a few times. I do like it. I like that it's so much cheaper than Olaplex. It's like less than half the price. Yeah, that's right, less than half the price. So I do really like this product. I have actually filmed, I've recorded this intro before, but for some reason it didn't pick up any audio, so fingers crossed it will work this time. I have already done the first step in this, which was to shampoo. It was a clarifying shampoo, so my hair is still a bit damp and drying. And then once my hair is dry, I'll be dyeing it, because as you can see, the roots and the ends are a very different colour, and that's because I tried to go pink. I tried to go like a baby pale pink. I never seem to learn from my mistakes. I know that my hair can't get that light without completely falling apart, but I tried it anyway. So I had like a pinkyish colour, but it wasn't what I wanted. And then I ruined my hair trying to get it. And I know that, you know, this isn't a miracle treatment. It's not going to make my hair completely healthy again, but it's a step in the right direction. So I've shampooed my hair, it's drying. I'll be dyeing it once it's completely dry. And then once I wash that out, I'll be continuing with the process. The next one is part 2. It's just like a liquid, it's really runny. And you just put it over damp hair, saturate it completely, leave it on for 5 minutes. And then without rinsing it out, you put this on top of it, the part 3. Then you leave that on for 20 minutes. And then once you wash that out, it's provided with a conditioner, like a deep conditioning treatment. And then we'll see if it's fixed my hair. Now I'm just going to double check through the instructions. I have done it before quite a few times, but I just want to make sure that I've remembered it correctly. Alright, yeah, so it is with towel dried hair that I do the part 2. So I'm just going to let it sit in here for a bit. I don't really want to rub it with a towel because the cotton towels are quite rough. I don't want to be too abrasive with my hair. So we will see. Let's have a look at the colour. I mean, it's still wet, but let's see how it looks at the moment. It looks dark, which is a good sign. Oh dear. It's a good thing we have a hair dye towel. Just gently squeeze out moisture. Twist the top so it's open, and then just start putting it in. And it is very runny, it's just like water. Doesn't really smell of anything either, which makes me think, is it just water I'm putting on my head? That's part of the steps, so I do it. Okay, so I am back now. It has been 5 minutes. I hate technology so much. So frustrating. I'm a media student. I want to work in film, but oh my god, I cannot do technology. There's a reason why I want to do set design and the art department instead of what I originally wanted to do, which was an editor. It's too much technology. I cannot stand it. I've had so many technical problems, but I am back. It has definitely been 5 minutes. And now I can carry on with the video. Going to squeeze out some of the excess water. Well, it's not water, it's the product, isn't it? But might as well be water. So squeeze out some of that excess, and then put this in, and it's 15 minutes actually that I leave it in for. Hair in it already. like thicker than a normal conditioner consistency, maybe like a deep conditioner, and I just apply it like I would do a normal conditioner. So squeeze it in so you know it's like getting everywhere. I'll also brush it through with a hairbrush just to make sure it's everywhere. My hair is so tangly, especially around here. This is where most of my damage is. And damaged hair tangles easy, so I go in and just break up some of the bigger knots before I go in with the brush. Okay, it has been 15 minutes, well actually maybe a bit longer than 15 minutes, but now I'm going to go and wash this out of my hair and then I'll be styling it. I won't be showing me styling my hair just because I'm worried about this video being a bit too long. It just makes the uploading process very tedious. So I will be doing that in a separate video if you're interested in that. So I will be going off rinsing this out of my hair and then I'll show you how it looks at the end. Fingers crossed it will make an improvement. Hello, I am back. My hair is almost completely dry. Whenever I think I've finished it, once it settles down again, I always find a few damp pieces, but I think it's okay for now. I'm going to scrunch out the cast from the products that I've used, and I'm going to use this oil. It's the My Moisture Weightless Oil Mist. I really like this product, but I do find that a little goes a long way. I've accidentally used too much of it before, so I only use like one spray, maybe a little bit more. There you go. It smells really nice as well, really coconutty. And then, yeah, just scrunch out all of this. That's a bit crunchy still. I am trying to grow out the fringe, so I won't worry about that too much. But I'm kind of happy with it. In the colours, nice and dark, similar to my natural dark hair. I have got some curl back, you know, a bit of bounce to it. you know, it's not completely like it used to be before I bleached it, but that's to be expected. You know, I do like pureplex, but it's not a miracle treatment. Obviously my hair has very little volume at the moment, but I am planning to cut it. I'm going to do some layers, I think. I'm not sure when I'll do that, but I'll definitely be making a video about it. But yeah, I mean, for one treatment my hair is definitely curlier than it was, and I like the colour. So yes, I would say this is a win. Yes, if you liked the video, if you found it useful, if you found it helpful, informative, or if you found it enjoyable, entertaining, whatever, if you liked it any much for any reason, then please like the video, comment, tell me about your hair. How's your hair doing? If you damaged your hair, did you ruin it in lockdown? Please subscribe, and I'll be making more videos much more frequently. Thank you for watching. Bye!